Hi everyone, welcome to Joe Microsphere. In today's video, I'm coming to take you through how to export your questionnaire data from KoboToolbox to Microsoft Excel. So if you have already collected your data and then you have it as you can see, I have a lot of data that I have been collected. So and then if you are about to collect your data, you just have to click on the new, and then you create your data, and then you start designing your questionnaire, and then you deploy it. So since I already have my data, I will just click on one of the data and then one of the questionnaires so that we can see how it look like. Okay, so this is my questionnaire that's assessing children mobility access and education facility. So as you can see, I have 33 questions, and then the owner is me, as you can see here, and then I have 222 respondents, so that's the total response I have. And then if you look at here, you can see I have we have a collect data, share project, edit data, and then preview. So if you want to preview your data, you can just click on this one, then you'll preview your data, and then this is the table, report, gallery, download, and then map. So what we are going to use is the download. So we are going to download our data so that we can get it in Microsoft Excel and then do our data cleaning. So let's just click on the download here. Okay, so as you can see, we have select your export type. So here is what you want to select. We have our XLSX, and then we have our CSV, and then the other formats, and then value and the header format here, that is the label, and then this one you leave as default. So this one you can either choose your CSV or your XLS, but XLS is preferred. So as you can see here, I have my export here, and then I have my download here. So what we are going to use, we are going to click on our download, not the export. We are going to click on our download here. Okay, so as you can see, I have network issue here, so let's rerun it. Okay, so now as you can see, now we have our download data here, as you can see. So let's just open one of them. As you can see, I just download the same data, and then it was downloaded too. So let's click on one of them and see how the data is look like. Alright, so this is WPS, and then it's work like the Microsoft Excel, because this is my default Microsoft Excel format. So this is our data that we just downloaded, and as you can see, we have our start and end dates here. That is not applicable, and then all these are not applicable. So we are going to do our data cleaning and then clean all this area that we are not going to use it, or we are not going to need it. So the first thing you need to do is you have to look into your data and see all the relevant data that will be needed. So this one, these two, we are not going to need it, so you just have to select it. You right click on it, and then you click on delete. As you can see, we have deleted, and then it has shift to. So we have age, and then our sex here, and then the other formats. And as you can see here, all these are not valid data, so we are going to delete these two. And then as you can see here too, these all are not valid data, so you just have to select it and right click, and then you click on delete. And then this one too, we are going to delete it. All this one, as you can see the heading, they are all invalid data, so you are going to select all of them, and then we delete it. Okay, so as you can see, we have a valid data here, so here is where we are going to end, and then we'll right click on this one, then we delete. Okay, and then as you can see here too, we have invalid data here, which we are going to select and then delete. Okay, okay. And then this is our last that we are going to delete, as you can see. Alright, so now we have our data as a valid questionnaire data. As you can see, we have our age, our sex, and then the other field. As you can see, all these data are valid data that we went to the field and then we collected from the respondents. So this is the simplest way that you can use to you can follow and then do your data cleaning after you have collected your data from KoboToolbox, and then you export it to either Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or WPX, so that you can do your data cleaning. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this video was very helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and leave a comment for me to respond to. Thank you very much.